Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Here we have a blue Amoro that they replaced with a new one. This is a ground, this is a power. It's coming from these two wires. This is a resistor and it have power, ground, power and command from the duty cycle, or like a command. It go from 12 volt, 9 volt, 8 volt. The lower you go, the higher speed is. And this here is coming from here. This is a modulator. It is here because the blue resistor to be cooled down, because here we try to compress the electricity and control it to go out of the gateway that's inside here to turn the fan. The car doesn't. This is new. This one new. We found that this fuse here, this is the fuse. It's supposed to be like 10 or 15 amps. I don't know, after they replace those stuff, maybe the resistance on the blue Amoro is very high. When we read the amp, it's almost 90 amps it draw to 100 amps. So we put this one 25 amps. Hopefully this is gonna be good. It kind of like we're gonna be testing it to see if it's gonna take it correctly. Everything is good, it will close. Just be sure that this is a blue Amoro activation and fuse or circuit breaker. And here is a control. You see here, this for the rear. You go up, like high speed. When you go to off, that means full. You go down 1, 2, 3, like 3, 4, 5, 4, 2, all the way to the off position. I'm gonna open it again. Now it's work. Always leave this one on. You can, if you have a good scanner, bi-directional scanner, you can look at it and you can see the differences. This is 2015. Any car like Chevy Silverado, Yukon, Denali, Suburban, they have the whole system or almost the same. See here the car. Please subscribe, share and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. This is a quick information of how the blue Amoro work, and you may need you to take all this stuff out to reach the power. Leave this place coming through here, through these wires here, and go all the way there. So please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you very much for watching.